Hello, it's Ringmaster Caton from Circus Imagination, here to welcome you to the virtual Monera Fair Camp. Let's go have some fun. Now, part of our virtual circus camp is a bunch of different activities for all age ranges. We have coloring books, we have cutouts, we have little mini circuses, we even have cube circus characters. Yes, that's right, little mini ringmasters, and you can make them yourself. One of the most important acts in the circus is the tightrope walker. It's the act that we start with in our shows at every single one of our fairs. And it's a really simple one for you guys to create. All we need is a little bit of imagination power, a rope, maybe an umbrella, and some caution to dress you up. Let's go take a look. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to your very own Circus Imagination. Our first act is our most amazing, our most incredible, our tightrope walker. Let's hear it for Miss Isla, the tightrope walker. Miss Isla, come stand right over here on the edge of the rope. Very good. Now we're going to use our imaginations and climb a pretend ladder. So Isla, put one hand high into the air. Very good. Go back and forth like we're climbing a ladder. Higher and higher you go. Higher and higher you go. Until everybody in the audience puts their hands over their eyes and watch it go up to the very top of the circus tent. Stop right there. You did perfect. Don't look down. Now to help get you across, we have... Oh, get back on the rope. Don't fall. We have our magic circus umbrella. Hold on to that right there. When you're ready, I want you to cross that rope on your tippy toes all the way to the other side. And remember, don't fall. There she goes. She's halfway across. Can't she do it? I think so. She's almost there. Yes, and she's done it. Excellent job.
I think this umbrella.
Very good. I'll take that umbrella. Miss Tightrope Walker, come stand right here, right next to me. Face your audience. Face your audience. Hands high in the air. And take a bow. Let's hear it for our lovely tightrope walker. High five. You were amazing. Oh, I love you. Okay, go hang out over there. And that's how easy it is to have your very own circus act. That was our tightrope walker, absolutely safe right here on the ground, using our imaginations, having just as much fun. And look at that, she even cleans up after her own act. Very good. Haul it right over there. Another act that the kids love is our acrobat act. Now this could be two kids, it could be a mom, it could be a kid, it could be just by yourself. All you need to find is a bucket, maybe a 2x6 board, a piece of PVC, and you can make your very own jump board. Get some stuffed animals, we're gonna put them on one end, and then pop them in the air. And for our next act, we're gonna have our acrobat all the way from Paris, France. Could I please have another thunderous round of applause for the amazing, the beautiful Louvre sisters? Right over this way. Now for our acrobats, we're going to need to make a jump board. Now my jump board is made out of a 2-inch PVC pipe and a 2x6. One side you'll jump on, the other side will project the animal high into the air. Now if you don't have the piece of PVC, you could probably use another 2x4. The PVC is going to work a little bit easier though. All right.
I'm gonna do it.
Very good. I'm going to have you stand right over here. I'm going to have you back up just a little bit. Very good. Here's our wild animals, our bucket to catch them with. Hold on to that. We're going to start here with our little bunny. I'm going to have you back up a little bit right over there. We're going to take our first little bunny here, place it right on the edge of that jump board. Wait, the legs are going to get it in my face. No jumping too early. I'll get bunny breath, and you don't want to have bunny breath. All right, wait. I'm back up a little bit. Back up, back up, back up. All right, here we go. Wait. Ready? 3, 2, 1, jump. Ah! Right in the bucket. With a little bit of assistance from Dad. And here we go. Bunny number 2. Now we might have to jump a little bit harder here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom! Right in the bucket. And finally, we'll just throw a giraffe in there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! We did it! Ladies, face your audience. Put both hands high in the air and take a bow. The lovely Louvre sisters. Excellent job, ladies. I'm going to have you head right on over there. Catch that right eye back over to Paris. My personal favorite act is our wild animals. Our lions, our tigers, and our bears. Now, of course, we don't have real wild animals, but we can make some wild animals. Now, we can do that from maybe some stuffed animals, or make you guys get dressed up like wild animals yourselves. Now, we're going to need a few simple props. a hula hoop, maybe a rope to use as a whip, and then we can make our costumes out of some paper bags and some construction material. Use some scissors, some tape, some glue, some construction paper, and you can make your very own wild animal mask. Now our wild animals, they do 3 different tricks. The first one, get down on your knees, put your claws high in the air. The second one, roll over, play dead. And the last one, jump through the dreaded hoop of fire. Now our hoop of fire is made just out of a hula hoop and some construction paper. Just like our mask, everything you can find around your house. Now our final act comes to us all the way from the jungles and the Saharas. We're gonna need to release them from their cages. I can hear them roaring around here. Let's hear some of them more wilder than you know. Let's hear it for our amazing wild animals. Now all we're doing for our animals is using masks that we've made out of paper bags and construction paper. We have tutorials on how to make these online. Always check there for more tutorials. Alright, wild animals, I'm going to have you coming out this way. I'm going to have my lion right over here. Very good, I'm going to have my bear right over here. Lion, turn around and face your audience. Right over there. Perfect. Now, in order to get my animals down on the ground, I need to use my whip. We do have tutorials on how to make whips as well, or just use a piece of rope that everybody find around the house. Alright, wild animals, down on your knees and show your claws. There goes the bear and the lion. Look at that, trained wild animals. Alright, next I want these wild animals to lay down and play dead.
We can't play dead.
Oh my goodness, the lion speaks. There she goes. There goes the bear and the lion. And the lion. And the lion. She's got a broken neck. Lion, lay down right here. Like it's taking a nap time. Boom! Face down! Let's hear it for our quiet wild animals. Alright, wild animals, stand up for me. Very good. Now for their finale. Don't lose your head! For our finale act, our wild animals, stand right on over there, will now attempt to jump through the dreaded hoop of fire!
Stop to that. I can't stop that.
Oh, it's too high? Very good. Thank you for telling me, Miss Lion. Here we go. The dreaded troop hoop of fire. Go for it, Lion. Perfect aim. And now for our bear. Watch out, Lion. Back up. It's a big bear. Here comes our bear. Oh, let's raise it up a little bit, huh? Test out our... Oh, you know hula hoops pretty well there, bear. Excellent job. Lion, come stand right over here next to your bear. Right over here. Face your audience. Paws in the air and take a bow. Let's hear it for our dreaded wild animal. Well, we had a great time making another circus for you guys here at the virtual Madeira Fair Camp. Now I want you to head on out, create your very own circus with things you can find from around the house. Get some props, some stuffed animals, talk to your mom and dad. You guys create your own show. Send them on over to the fair. They would love to see them. Thanks for having a great time with us. We'll see you down the road.